Okay, so they don't tell you this when you dream of starting a clothing brand, but apparently you need a name, a logo, and oh yeah, a plan. Welcome to the glamour life of starting a business, where I'm currently battling a notebook and my own creativity. Why is this so hard? But hey, if you ever want to start your own clothing brand, stick around, because today we are tackling the real first step. It's messy, it's funny, and by the end, we'll both be closer to making our dreams reality. Let's do this. Every brand starts with a vision. Ask yourself, what's your story? Who do you want to wear your clothes? For me, I want my brand to scream confidence, creativity, and a bit of I'm the main character in my life. You know what I mean? Don't overthink it. Just start with what excites you, even if it's just a word or a feeling. You'll refine it as you go. For me, the vibe is like if Netflix and a cool thrift store had a baby. What's your vibe? Let me know in the comments. Now the name. Oh, the name. It has to be catchy, memorable, and available. No pressure, right? I've been brainstorming for hours, and so far I've got strip drip. Genius? Maybe. Practical? Probably not. Pro tip: make a list of words that describe your brand. Play around with combination and check if the domain and social handles are free. Oh, and don't get too attached until you know it's available. I learned that the hard way. Once you've got the name, it's time to design a logo. And if you are like me, you'll go through 500 ideas before you find one that doesn't make you cringe. Here's my advice. Keep it simple. A great logo is clean, recognizable, and works on everything from a hoodie to a business card. And don't be afraid to get feedbacks. My friend didn't hold back when I showed them my first attempt. Spoiler, it was bad, really bad. Let's talk materials. Your clothes need to feel good, look good, and not cost a fortune to produce. I started by ordering fabric samples from suppliers. And honestly, it's like Christmas morning. Every time a package arrives. Start small. You don't need to order 1000 pieces up front. Look for suppliers that offer low minimums so you can test the waters. Oh, and always check reviews. Trust me, not all suppliers are created equal. This is the part where your vision comes to life, designing your first collection. My approach: start small. I'm working on 3 designs: one t-shirt, one hoodie, and maybe a cool cap. Who doesn't love a cap? Think about what represents your brand and what your audience would actually wear. Don't try to do it too much at once. It's better to launch with a few solid pieces than to overhelp yourself. Let's be real, starting a brand costs money, but it doesn't have to drain your life saving. Here's what I'm spending on right now: samples and materials, logo and branding tools, a small marketing budget for the launch. The key is to start small and reinvest your profits. Don't go all in on inventory until you've tested what works. Building a brand is exciting, but it's also a lot of work. Don't forget to have fun with it. Play some music, take breaks, and celebrate small wins, like finding the perfect font or finally deciding on a name. Today we made some serious progress, defining the vision, brainstorming a name, designing the logo, and planning the first collection. It's a lot, but every step gets us closer to launch day. If you've been dreaming of starting your own clothing brand, I hope this video shows you that it's possible, and that you are not alone in figuring it all out. Hit that subscribe button and let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching. Remember, big dreams start with small steps. Let's make it happen.